flowers sacrifice our religion and worship Princess Amazilian.
Akunandi kanjini kiwana Zimbali.
Hi, how are you?
Hey, ngiyakubona ufisi.
Yini ngoma eculayo?
Nemithandazo yakho.
Eposini.
Yama flowers wakho. Hey, kumnandi kiwana. Plop. Let's go.
Go sip.
Sip.
Alright.
Yeah, I'm saying kumnandi kiwana.
Katlehong.
Yeah,
Katlehong.
there's no place like this one. For many people, there was a Buskarango Bese, Questa, you name it, and now there's places. You know, there's a place called Flavia, by the way. You know Flavia?
Cafe Flavia, for sure.
There's a Flavia. So the place used to be owned by DJ Dimples, RIP. DJ Dimples.
For real?
Yeah.
It's been there. Like at home the whole time.
Flavia, yes.
Wait, it's not in the flavor because
not long ago before DJ Dimples passes away. But yeah, and then talking about that, Reason hosted an event, Flavor Fest Saturday of 2024. It was a job.
I was there. I know you all can't wait for the pictures.
So it was hosted by Reason. Chichila Main was there. Correct again. Kirex was there. You know, and then obviously what happens?
The DJ Zan-D.
DJ Zan-D was there. But then obviously, so we got Spana no Day Joy. You know, so yeah, it's a nice place, eh?
Yeah.
Sometimes Banogenza game nights. You know,
so
hip-hop session.
Event.
Where? You know, so ungafika esibhedlela or ungafika eposini mawuya from Tembisa whatever let the posi. If ever you come from Joburg side, it would be ngada esibhedlela. You know, yeah, but then besides that, I think we're talking indaba yaga, you know, Reason.
Yeah.
So I don't know if it's Sizwe Alakine or Reason that I say pulled out that day. You were there.
Oh, because he was competing with himself, literally.
Like,
yes, he was competing with himself.
I saw Reason HD.
Yeah.
I don't know. I can't call it competing, but there was I felt Reason HD. I felt Reason for hip hop. There was a hip hop show.
Okay.
You know, and hosted by Sizwe Alakine. Not so long ago, they said he moved to.
And we have to piano you are a hoster usually. So yeah, the guy host as the Sizwe Alakine. Okay.
Wow. And which is dope. Yo, Sizwe Alakine pulled through. It was dope.
It was fun.